Here we are in Horn Park. It's just started raining, so you might be able to see the rain. It's a nice little park around the corner from me. Don't bring her here often. It's not that big a park. I normally take her to Sutcliffe, which is a nice sized park. But we'll bring her here today as it's a bit cooler, as it has rained. So nice and cool for her. I don't really mind if she gets a bit wet today because it'll cool her down. But as you can see, nice meadow-like area for the park. This is round the side. Not many dogs around here today. They're all at home, or they're seen two Rottweilers, but down the other end. I kept Fudge away from them just in case she didn't get on with them. But as a rule, she's generally very friendly with other dogs. It's only other females that aren't neutered that she doesn't get along with. But she gets along with other dogs. She's like live and let live. She's not bothered by other dogs. She's not intimidated easily by other dogs. If another dog goes for her, she tries to defend herself, but she's a 10-year-old French bulldog with her teeth are quite ground down, so she's got very blunt teeth now. But she doesn't back down from a fight. She'll defend herself if she has to. Here we go. Let me know in the comments what park you'd like me to take her to in the local area. I'm going to take her to Sutcliffe Park at some point and film there. And I might take her up to up to Greenwich Park, where the Cuttiss Ark is. And then I might start like a little series where I take her to some like monuments, like attractions here in London. So let me know which ones you'd like me to see with Fudge. He hasn't got anything. Come on, you. Come on. Here we are. Come on then, you. It is a nice little forested area. It's not really a forest, but it sort of looks like one a bit. Nice little pathway, nice and quiet. Have a nice little explore. Probably smells quite different now because of all the rain. But quite nice few smells here. The grass and all the leaves. But it smells, as I said, probably smells quite nice. Let me know in the comments below which parks in London you'd like me to go to, which attractions or monuments you'd like me to go to. Probably take Fudge to Sutcliffe Park. At some point I'll take her up to Green Park so you can see Buckingham Palace. Maybe even go to the O2 Arena, which is in North Greenwich. And other attractions. The Wheel, the Shard. Things that I could easily get to by train, bus or tube. We'll be doing videos where I'm talking about YouTubers and TikTokers. Don't know who I'll talk about first. Let me know in the comments again who you'd like me to talk about. I have to watch some videos about them first if I've not heard of them. But I will be talking about some of the more common ones that have been doing stuff recently. But as I said, I'll have to watch videos on them to comment on them all. But I will be doing that in the next few days maybe. So let me know again, as I said. Let me know who you'd like me to talk about. Because I've got a few people in mind who I want to talk about. Just have to find the time and watch a few videos about them. And ask me, and also let me know if you want to see more videos on Michael. Or I keep moving the camera every time she crouches. I don't want to show the world her going a loo. But yeah, so let me know if you want to, who you'd like to see more videos about, Fudge or Michael the cat. All these videos are going to be done by my phone, so it's wobbling a bit because I'm holding it. So I don't have a selfie stick on me at the moment. I've got one at home. But let me know what you'd like me to cover. I won't be doing any fancy editing or anything. Just be me and my phone and maybe an Acaso Brave 4 Pro action camera. And what editing I can do with that. But it won't be much editing. Might just be like a bit of clipping. And that's about it. Well. Nothing there. What are we looking at? Come on then. Nope, nothing in the tree. There we are, nice and wooded, nice and cool, near the wind blowing in the trees, maybe even a bit of the rain. But this is quite pleasant today compared to the last few days where it's been about 30. I think it's about 20 today, I think, 19, 20, so nice and cool. This is normal British weather. It's overcast, a bit breezy, and a bit windy. A bit breezy, and a bit of rain. Normal British weather. I like this weather. I don't like it when it's hot and horrible. I don't like sweating all that much. Also because of the dog. She's a French bull. They don't do well in heat. And some birds over there. Don't know if you can see them. Just about see them over there. I think there's some blackbirds. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing over there? Come on. Yeah. Come on then. Blackbirds over there. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Oh, it's a bit... Ugh. Come on then. Oh. Fudgy's chasing a blackbird. What are you doing? You chasing a bird? You chasing a bird? Yeah. Don't know if I caught all that. I kept hearing something in the trees and I was looking up at it, trying to see if I could find a pigeon or something, but couldn't see anything. So I might have caught her chasing after a blackbird, I don't know. Come on then, this way. Have a good old look around. Nice and quiet today. Kids must have gone in now. What are you doing? What are you looking at? Nothing there. Come on. Come on then. Come on. So if you might catch her going a wee occasionally, I try to avoid filming her going a loo, but sometimes can't help it. Come on then. Here we are, near the end of the walk now. Like and subscribe. Comment what you'd like me to talk about and where you'd like me to take Fudge for her next walk. Thank you. See you later. Bye.